In this part of the plan summary, an LEA addresses gaps in student performance. At a minimum, an LEA must address the performance gaps between student groups as reported on the California School Dashboard. After clicking on the Student Group Report tab of the dashboard, you will see student groups organized into columns with the all students performance levels placed first on the left-hand side. Each row represents performance levels for a specific state indicator for each student group. To find instances where a specific student group has performed 2 or more levels below the all student performance level, look at the performance level of all students in the left-hand column for a specific state indicator. Next, look along each row for any performance levels that are 2 or more below the performance of all students. For example, look at the graduation rate row. The all student performance level is blue, the highest possible. As we look along this row, we see that socioeconomically disadvantaged students have a performance level of orange, which is 3 levels below the all students performance level. Other performance gaps are indicated as well. For this particular LEA, each of these performance gaps must be addressed in this part of the plan summary. After identifying the performance gaps reported on the dashboard, an LEA may choose to examine other local data in order to either identify other gaps in student performance or to provide additional insight regarding the gaps identified through the dashboard. While performance gap data is vital for completing the performance gap part of the plan summary, this information is also crucial for writing other sections of the LCAP. A well-written LCAP will include goals, actions, and services that address gaps in student performance. Performance gap data may also serve to inform the analysis of each goal in the annual update section. In addition to identifying gaps in the student performance in this part of the plan summary, an LEA will also describe what it plans to do to address these gaps. Because the plan summary section is written last, an LEA can refer back to its goals, actions, and services section for the information it needs to address this prompt. For example, an LEA might reference a specific goal, action, or service that addresses performance gaps and provide a brief description in response to a performance gaps prompt.